everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking about celery, and I have a list of suggested food and flavor combinations that work well with celery. So if you're looking for some specific meal or recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. You can combine celery with almond butter and raisins. Sounds good. How about celery with apples and walnuts? Celery with carrots and onions? Celery with cheese of any sort you want, fruits and nuts. Celery with cucumbers and mustard. Celery with garlic and tomatoes. Celery with oranges and pecans. Celery with parsley and tomatoes. Or celery with pistachios and yogurt. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.